Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today we are going to learn new things. So let us begin from learn Dinka language or Thongjäng. Guys, Thongjäng. Learn Dinka language or Thongjäng. So number one, where are you going? This one, where are you going? Where are you going in Dinka? We say in lo da, in lo da, in lo da. In Loda, in Dinka. Then number two, what are you eating? What are you eating? This one. What are you eating? In Dinka we say yengo cham. Sorry, yengo cham. Yengo cham. Yengo cham in Dinka. Number three, where do you live? This one. Where do you live? Where do you live? In Dinka we say yin rel tano. Irel Tano, Irel Tano, Irel Tano in Dinka. Number four, what is the time? What is the time? This one, what is the time? What is the time? In Dinka, we ask Yesah kam, Yesah kam. This word, let me underline it. Sah. Yes. This word, sah. Sah. In Dinka, we borrow this word from Arabic. It's Arabic word sah. Sah mean time. We borrow this word from Arabic. Like Swahili used to borrow a lot of word from Arabic. So that's how we do it in Dinka. But there is a real time word for that one, and the only word I know is this one. Yesakam. Yesakam. Yesakam mean what is the time? Then number five, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? In Dinka, we ask question like this one. This question, Yango which? Yango which? Yango which? Yango which? What are you looking for? So, what are you searching for? Yango which? And then number six, I am going home. I am going home. I am going home. I am going home. In Dinka, you say an alabai, an alabai, an alabai, an alabai. By mean home, and ala mean I'm going. So number seven, what do you want? This one. What do you want? What do you want? In Dinka, we say yengo which, yengo which, yengo which, yengo which. Mean what do you want is the same like number five. What are you looking for? Yengo which. What are you looking for? Yengo which. And the same thing like what do you want? Yengo which. Yengo which or yengo gor. So that's how we translate it in Dinka. Number eight. I am happy. You can say I am happy. This one. I am happy. I am happy. In Dinka, you say an po miet, an po miet, an po miet, an po miet. Po this one alone. Po alone. Po mean heart. Miet mean like content or happy, excited. So that's how we say it. I am happy mean an po miet in Dinka. An po miet. Number nine. I am lucky. I am lucky. I am lucky. In Dinka mean an achigup miet. This one. and achu guop miet. Guop, sorry, guop mean body. Miet mean excited or happy. And achu guop miet. That mean I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Let's go to number 10. Number 10 say that, who are you? Is asking, who are you? Who are you? In Dinka, you say ye yin nga. Ye yin nga. Ye yin nga. Ye yin nga. Who are you? Ye yin nga. In Kwach, who are you? Ye yin nga. Ye yin nga baroda lo ikidi. Ye yin nga. Who are you? So, number 11, I do not know you. I do not know you. I do not know you. In Dinka, we say yin Kwach. Yin Kwach. This one. Kwach. Kwach. Kwach mean you don't know. Yin Kwach, or you say yin Changich. Yin Changich. Yin Changich. Yin Changich. The word ngich alone mean to know. Yin Changich mean it's like refusing, you don't know. You don't know him. Yin Changich. You don't know him. Let's come to number 12. I love you. This is very common in Dinka. I love you. I love you. I love you. In Dinka, we say yin nyar. Yin nyar. Yin nyar. Yin nyar. Yin nyar mean I love you. Number 13. I love you so much. 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 In Dinka, you say yin nyar apaidit. Yin nyar apaidit. Yin nyar apaidit. This apaidit mean so much. Nyar mean love. Yin mean you. Sorry. Yin nyar apaidit. I love you so much. So number 14. My name is William Majak. My name is William Majak. Rianche. Rianche Achol William Majak. Rianche Achol William Majak. Rianche. Rianche mean my name's. Achol mean is called or are called William Majak. William, you have to write it like this. William. William. Yeah. William. So la ya ma William. That's how you write it. So this brings us to the end, guys. This brings us to the end of our video, and if you want me to repeat it, let me do it a quick. Where are you going? Number 1, in Lada. Number 2, what are you eating? Yangosham. Number 3, where do you live? In Real Tano. Number 4, what is the time? Yesakam. Number 5, what are you looking for? Yangu which? Number 6, I am going home and Alabai. Number 7, what do you want? Yangu which? Number 8, I am happy and I support meat. Number 9, I am lucky and I should go meat. Number 10, who are you? Ye yinga. Number 11, I do not know you. Yin coach or yin changich. Number 12, I love you. Yin yar. Number 13, I love you so much. Yin yar apaidit. My name is William Majak Rianche Achol William Majak, or you can say your name. And this is the end of our video. Please, if you like the video, kindly share the video to your loved one so that we learn Dinka language together. Also turn on notification, you subscribe and you like the video so that YouTube can recommend our video to others YouTubers so that we learn Dinka together. This is the end. Nakar ku ya lula bunyala irel ke kawek ku ya. Bye bye. Ugabu Baniok William Majak Malek Deng.